Hi everyone, my name is Brooke Schlatter, a student ambassador with the College of Business. I'm so excited to show you our recent progress on our new home, the Robert W. and Patricia A. Maurer Center. Even though we are currently learning online, construction continues on the Maurer Center and will be ready when we return to campus. The Maurer Center is comprised of Hanna Hall and a very large new addition to house all of the college offices, classrooms, and student spaces. It's the perfect mix of new and traditional construction. One of the dedicated spaces is for our student organizations. This space will include meeting space, lockers, and conference space for our more than 14 student organizations. The Student Success Center will house recruitment, advising, academic coaching, education abroad, and placement services. It's basically a one-stop shop to keep students on target for graduation. The building opens up to this amazing atrium area. Here you can really see the merger of the old and new. Large classrooms, conference space, and open meeting spaces make this hub of activity for the college. It also includes a cafe, perfect for study breaks and much needed fuel. Our large pavilion classrooms are designed for active learning spaces. Here, students will develop critical thinking, communications, and presentation skills. The open mezzanine of the second floor provides room for students and faculty to engage in all-type learning. You will note the landing on areas on each floor will contain seating for students to sit and hang out. The second and third floors provide more classrooms and faculty offices. This really makes it convenient to interact with faculty and staff throughout the day. The Dean's Suite is a must visit. He always has plenty of snacks to encourage students to drop in to chat. Some cool features include this amazing floating classroom. Once completed, it will feel like you are floating over the atrium. The other is this incredible second floor terrace looking out over East Campus. It's all coming together quickly and will be finished very soon. I can't wait to see all of you on campus and to share our amazing new home for the College of Business. Stay safe, everyone.